Team Implode Audio. For the love of bass, this beat is powered by DJ Drop. Increase volume levels now. Enjoy your bass experience.
Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so I'm working on my box again. I'm going to show you what I got going on. If you watch the Gary video, you'll know what I was doing. Alright, boom. You can see we're getting the roof in to where this is level with the cut through into the cab. That's going to make it even louder. Right now I'm putting all the brackets in. Got about 10 of them to put in. Gonna be filling the whole inside of the roof of this with insulating foam. But yeah, it's getting there. This whole thing's gonna be freaking gapped off into the cab. And then next it's gonna be built straight out to about here. And then straight down. And the amps will be on the front. And you're just gonna have this huge freaking massive port blowing right up your ass. But it's looking good, guys. Alright. Whole shitload of braces. It's got a whole shitload of insulating foam. Wait for that to dry. Oh yeah, also, I don't know if you guys can see that right now, but I put strobes in the back port that flash up through the port and light up the back of the box. Looks pretty badass at night. Alright guys, later. More to come too.
Can you feel the bass? Team Implode Audio, for the love of bass.